Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'll quickly show how to send a snap without actually uploading any media. So let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app and log in if you're not already logged in. Now either just take a quick snap like a blank photo of a wall, your hand or the floor, or even cover the camera with your finger and click a picture, which I am going to do. Okay, so this way it won't really upload any actual media that you care about. If you want, you can add some text, emojis or bit emojis to make it a little more fun, but that's completely optional. Now just hit send, then select the person you want to send it to and tap on the arrow button and you're done. You have sent a snap without uploading any important media. And that's it. Super simple and super quick. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you want more Snapchat tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.